Good morning or good afternoon, good day wherever you are. Let's look at control flow in that. So let's put our main void main, which we cannot code in that without this function, which is void main. Void main. So what are we looking at today? We are looking at control flow, but not everything in control flow we are looking at today. So what particularly in control flow are we looking at? We are going to be looking at um, if statement, if else. We're going to be looking at if statement and else if statement. So what is an if statement and what is an else if statement? Okay. Now, for example, we have const, let's say animal. We have const animal. Then we want it to print. Let's just put an animal name here. Let's put cat. So what we want to do now is that let's run a code that we print if the code is cat, if what we have here, the data we have here is cat or dog, is going to print this animal is a pet. But if you have other animals, you are going to print this animal is white. So let's come down to if. Now this is an if statement. We are starting with an if statement. Let's say animal is equal to cat is equal to cat. I just want to make it professional. If it's equals to cat, or remember I told you that this is all in that. It's not like this. No, it's not like this in that. So this is all in that. Or animal is equal to dog. Is equal to dog. So what is he going to do? We are going to open a curly brace here. Then we are going to say print. We are going to say print animal is a house pet. Is a house pet. Now, if we do an end of statement, now we are going to put, then what if it's not cat or dog? We are going to write else, print animal is a wild, animal is wide. Let's just say animal is wide. So let's say animal is wide. End of statement. So if we run this code, let's be looking at this side. It's going to print animal is a house pet because we have cat here. So let's be looking at the code. It's going to print animal is a house pet. Can we see it? Animal is a house pet. So let's print something like lion. Let's write lion. Let's put lion here. If we run this code, it's going to check the if statement is not correct. It will now come down and say animal is wide. So let's be looking. That part is usually slow. Okay, we have it. We have the output, which is animal is wide. So let's say we want to make it more professional. Instead of putting animal in this place, which is a hard-coded value, we can just come here and put, we can concatenate it with dollar sign and come here and also do the same thing as dollar sign. So what this dollar sign is telling that is that I don't want you to print animal. I want you to print this the data type. Sorry. Sorry. I don't want you to print animal. I want you to print this data here. So if you run this code, it's going to say lion is wide. We are going to see lion is wide. So if we change this to dog, we are going to see dog is house pet. Can we see? So this is what we have for if statement. And now if you notice in if statement, once you put else, you cannot add any other statement.